Ever felt like your emotions are taking control? Stress can hit you like a heavy wave. Today we learn how to stay very calm. Mastering your feelings is a very powerful skill. Follow these 4 simple steps to find peace. Imagine you are standing in a busy street. Noise and pressure are coming from every side. Your heart starts beating faster than ever before. You want to run away or just scream. Stop right there and look at your hands. Step 1 is simply noticing your physical body. Where do you feel the stress right now? Is it in your chest or your head? Your body sends signals before your mind reacts. Tight shoulders are a sign of hidden tension. Clenched fists show that you are feeling angry. A dry mouth means you are very anxious. Just observing these feelings creates a small space. You are not the anger you feel inside. You are the person watching the anger grow. Watch the feeling like a cloud passing by. It comes and it goes like the tide. Do not try to fight the feeling today. Simply name the emotion you are feeling now. Say to yourself that you are feeling overwhelmed. Naming it helps you regain some mental control. This awareness is your very first big victory. Now you are ready for the second step. We must change how we are breathing now. Breathing is the bridge to a calm mind. Step 2 is the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale through your nose for 4 slow seconds. Keep the air inside for 7 long seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 8 full seconds. This rhythm tells your brain you are safe. Your nervous system begins to slow down quickly. Feel the cool air entering your tired lungs. Let the tension leave with every single breath. Repeat this cycle at least 3 more times. Deep breathing is a free tool for everyone. You can do this anywhere at any time. No one even needs to know you are. Notice how your pulse is getting slower now. The fog in your mind is clearing away. You are becoming the master of your state. Relax your jaw and let your eyes soften. Stability starts with a single, very deep breath. Now we move on to the third step. We must look at the situation much differently. Step 3 is reframing your current stressful thoughts. Ask yourself if this will matter next year. Often we worry about very small, temporary things. Is this a disaster or just a challenge? Challenges are opportunities for us to grow stronger. Change your language from I can't to how. Instead of I am failing, try I learn. Your brain listens to every word you say. Negative thoughts are just stories we tell ourselves. You have survived every hard day so far. This moment is just another test of strength. Look at the problem from a high distance. You are much bigger than this one problem. Perspective is a lens that changes your world. Choose a lens that shows hope and light. Remind yourself that you are doing your best. Perfection is not the goal of this journey. Progress is what truly matters in the end. Stay focused on what you can actually control. Let go of everything that is not yours. You are now ready for the final step. Step 4 is choosing a very conscious response. Do not just react like a wild animal. Take a small pause before you speak out. A 3-second pause can change your life. Choose words that bring peace and not fire. What is the most helpful thing to do? Sometimes the best response is saying nothing at all. Other times you must set a clear boundary. Act from a place of logic and kindness. You are the captain of your own ship. The storm is outside, but you are steady. Practice these steps every single day of life. Emotional mastery takes time and a lot of. Be patient with yourself as you keep learning. You will get better with every stressful event. Imagine the person you really want to be. That calm version of you is already inside. Bring that version out into the real world. You have the power to stay very grounded. Peace is a choice you make every second. Let us review the 4 steps once more. Aware, breathe, reframe, and then respond with care. Carry these tools in your pocket every day. You are now ready to face any challenge. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this helped you, please like the video. Subscribe for more tips on a better life. You are capable of doing amazing things today. Which of these steps did you need today? Share your story in the comments below now.